I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up alerts for your transactions on Ally, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Ally account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Alerts. Once logged in, find the Account Services tab in the main menu. Click on it, then select Account Alerts from the drop-down options. Step 3. Choose Alert Preferences. In the Account Alerts section, you will see various alert options. Select the types of alerts you want to receive, such as transaction notifications or balance updates. Step 4. Set Delivery Method. Decide how you want to receive your alerts. You can choose to get them via email, text message, or both. Make sure to enter your contact details if prompted. Step 5. Save your settings. After selecting your preferences, scroll down and click the Save button to apply your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your alerts are set up. Remember, if you don't receive alerts right away, check your spam folder or ensure your phone number is entered correctly. Happy banking!